Mark, what do you want? Put the
Butter.
butter. Put the butter. No! He's eating the butter. Put the butter down. Mark! Don't eat the butter. He's like, eh. He likes it. Mark, seriously, put the butter down. What do you want?
Jam.
You want some jam? Do you want some bread? Some using some butter with... I can't even talk, right? Can't believe you ate the butter. Mark, do you want some bread with butter and jam?
Damn.
Yeah, you have some jam on your face still. Whoops. Got the sun in there. All right, let's get you some bread with butter. Oh, that's hot. Is it hot?
Hey.
Okay.